this video, I will show you how I'm creating logo for my brand by using Adobe Illustration tools and more. Welcome to my very first tutorial where I'm creating logo for my personal brand which called Danella Design. In this video, I'm using only rectangular grid to create my logo. By using Shape Builder, easily you can connect several spaces around. Here you can use all your imagination and create any design you like. Play with the shape and form and find your unique design. You can create unique shape by using direct selection tools. Play with anchor points till you like. Cool, I think it's look perfect for me. Nice. Now I will create several more designs for my brand. You can write in the comment which design is your favorite one. And now you know how to create logo by using rectangular grid in Adobe Illustrator and more. Hope you liked the video.